My name is what? My name is who? My name is.
Alright guys, welcome back to House.
Wait. I just remember something. One time with the little, you know.
I did not shit on the toilet.
No.
I know. Do not believe that story. No.
My auntie just made him clean, you know. Put on him amends and everything. And I don't know why Steven sit down on the toilet, because all of us are in the bathroom playing and he sit down on the toilet. But the toilet cover never on. And the little man dropped through the toilet, see him see him head between him 2 foot, yeah.
Alright, they're trying to embarrass me, guys, but like, yeah, today I'm gonna be doing a curl process in my hair, which you guys remember that last video where I did the basic Cantu curls in my head. I like that process and I've been doing it for quite. I'm sorry guys, like we've been here drinking a little bit. Yeah, so what we're going to be doing this time around, we're going to be using a no shrink product. That product my cousin introduced me to, and it's been really good because the curls are a lot more uniformed, they have a lot more hold, and it's not stiff. Normally I don't like when the curls are like really stiff. This product is really good. One of my other videos, my sister actually used Eco Styler, which actually shrinks the hair. I didn't like how it looked at the end of it, but this one I've tried for about 2 days and I did like it, so I'm gonna let my other cousin try it. Basically what the process is, it's someone applying the product into your hair and then doing like a forward cane or something like that. I'll show you guys the video. All I've done so far, maybe like a few hours ago, I washed my hair with some Aragon shampoo. I don't think it matters, but I think it's good to actually use a natural shampoo. And then I used a Cantu leave-in conditioner in my head. And then now I'm gonna add, yo, they trying to throw me off, but this is a vlog, this is a hair vlog, it's gonna be natural, so let's get into it.
Be a Mac with the Fabrice kind of outfit always.
Clean.
His outfits are just popping.
So here's the product here.
Dimi, she was here. Oh,
guys, Auntie Jackie's Don't Shrink Styling Gel, right? Yeah, and it got flaxseed in it, so that means, you know, it's actually keeping your hair healthy as you go through. And what do you use it for, Michelle?
Just to enhance the curls.
Just to enhance the curls. And of course she's spraying water into my hair just to keep
moisture.
Exactly. Alright.
Don't watch the boobs, don't watch the boobs.
So I'm gonna get you guys back onto a quick update whenever she starts doing the curling. Like how much do you apply to the hair? Like how much product?
Listen, I'm just using my discretion right now, okay?
Okay. So guys, don't worry about it. There's no like no science or no math. Just use the product, get it into the hair really quick. And I'll show you guys whenever she's doing the twist. So my cousin pretty much saying that the curls have started already. I can't see it, but I hope you guys can see it. Of course, with a process like this, you definitely need someone to help you with it. Unless you know how to do your own hair, which I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, what I like about this one, when I did the Eco Styler video, that video took a lot longer. But this process that my cousin uses is like really easy. So easy. A lot of people have been asking like, because this product here is like really new to me. Show you guys the price really quick. It's just $6.99. It's always better to use these natural products, especially when your hair is natural like mine. So just so that you guys can get a quick shot, see what it's about. Michelle, how did you hear about Auntie Jackie's?
YouTube.
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 Yeah, because I've never heard about Auntie Jackie's. Most persons talk about Eco Styler and
yeah, they do. I try different products, but I try almost everything to find out what works for my hair.
Exactly.
So depends on what I want, and Jackie work for me. If I need something else, the Eco Styler
works. Yeah. Yeah, because a lot of you guys have dropped a few comments on the video that has like 200,000 views or whatever, and you guys have been asking like, or telling me, oh, most of you, like maybe like 90% of you, like that method worked really well for you, and then some of you guys said like, you know, it didn't really quite work well. So sometimes you gotta kind of go through different products to see which one actually gives you really good results. Like even the shampoo that I shampooed my hair with now, I couldn't find the Cantu shampoo that I first originally bought, and that shampoo, once I washed my hair with it, like I started to get curls already just by washing it. This shampoo that I do use now, it doesn't offer that, but it's a natural shampoo, so I go with it anyway. Alright, I know you guys always asking, you know, what kind of precisions it is that I'm using, but my cousin said it's called a flat twist, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So if you guys interested in getting this done,
you pretty much, I mean, just whatever style or direction you want your hair, you just flat twist it in that direction. As I was saying to Steven, most guys, I don't know how many guys would want to sit down and have their hair flat twisted.
Yeah, you guys know you do it for the curls, right? A lot of you do almost anything to get some good curls, so why not? You can always ask your girlfriend, your sister, your aunt, anyone that knows how to flat twist. To me, to be quite honest, it's very easy. Like the last time I did it, it took me, I don't know how long it took, but it didn't feel uncomfortable. It was like a really quick process.
Yeah, when it approached my bedtime, so I will finish really quick. Your old lady cousin will finish real quick.
My cousin wants to sleep. We're gonna get this done. What's gonna happen?
The curls. You have to make sure the ends of it, like the curls, real
defined?
Yeah, because top of that going to show anyway.
Okay.
So pretty much just finger coil it.
Okay, so you're doing finger coils.
Just finger coil it.
Okay. I know for a fact in that last video, a lot of persons keep asking, you know, what kind of haircut I got. It's pretty much a box uptown fade. Pretty much an uptown fade, but I don't like when the sides go all the way up like a box. So I asked them to kind of flare it, to give it a little, just a little slight angle pretty much, but that's the haircut that I got. Alright, so I'm trying to answer questions before you guys even comment them, to be quite honest, because sometimes you guys ask a lot of questions and I want to try to answer them in the video. So the first question is, Michelle, where did you get this? Like, where did you source this product?
Like a local, like a Walmart, supermarket, or local beauty supply place.
Okay, so a local beauty supply place.
No, Walmart, yeah.
Okay, well, as you guys already know, most things you can find on Amazon anyway. So just shoot up Amazon, try to get you guys a close-up with this one. So that's one of the products there. And this one is a curl custard. So pause the video, make sure you guys take a quick look at it, do your quick Amazon search. Normally I like shopping on Amazon, to be quite honest, guys, because like you can find discounts for stuff like these sometimes. So take a quick check on Amazon, and then if you can't find it there or whatever, which I highly doubt, check your local beauty store. So it's funny, my cousin just said she gonna brush my hair out and then show me the curls that I possess.
See that?
It makes me feel like I got some special powers.
You got curls, Paul.
Yeah, but that's pretty much with the product and being brushed out naturally, so which isn't that bad. And it brings me back to this thing on one of my videos. Someone said, cause my sister said, oh, she thinks I got like 4C, like the hair.
4C.
And I was like, in my head, I was like, I don't think I got a 4C, but I just said it because that's what my sister thought. You know, and someone tried to roast me. I'm like, 4C, no. They went off, and I was like, man, like, I don't know. Like, I don't try to be here to be like no hair guru, to tell you guys like this or whatever. I just share my experiences as natural as I can do it. Try to keep you guys informed as possible and then show you guys the results. You know what I'm saying? So I personally, if 4C is like really light, that's nothing to do with my hair. If I could tell you guys naturally, my hair is pretty thick. It's very jet black, very thick, and exactly. And if you don't like have product in it, or you don't apply moisture or whatever, it's going to be like really dry. You feel me? So that's why I have to use all these natural products to keep it moist, and of course when you keep it moist, then it's very tameable. Like I can actually tame it. But do I have like quote unquote good hair like people with like long flowing locks in the wind? No. I don't think I do. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the, not so much the end result, this is the climax of what we're trying to get at. Yeah, I know my hair looks kind of whack, but this is pretty much what my cousin did. So she did the flat twist there, went to the back, and of course I still got a fade here. I've been in the US for a while, because as you guys might know, I'm from Jamaica, but currently right now I'm in New Jersey. So this haircut is a little bit stale. It's about like almost a week old, I believe. So yeah, it's not so fresh, but this is what I'm gonna do first. Then I'm gonna put my do-rag on, sleep in it, and then the next day when the product has gotten a bit more dry, my cousin will actually loose the hair, and then the curls are gonna be out. But I'm gonna show you really quickly these two products here that I did mention before. This is the shampoo that I used. Usually I like using the same brand, but in this case I couldn't find the Cantu, so I went with this company. And for me, they are right. As I said, I'm not no hair guru or whatever, so I'm not about to tell you, oh, this company is the bomb. For me, this worked pretty well. Got my hair clean, it's natural, so I'm happy. But this product here I like the most because it's a leave-in conditioner. So take a quick look there, guys, at what I'm trying to show you. So it's the Cantu leave-in conditioner. I got the big tub. Now personally, why I like this product and why I got this product when I got here is for one reason. Whenever you have your hair and you're doing styles with it, whatever, you need your hair to be conditioned because it keeps the hair healthy. You feel me? As I said before, if I don't add product to my hair and I let it stay out, it's gonna be dry. What I was doing back in Jamaica, sometimes I would wash my hair, use conditioner, and then I will apply my curl activator or whatever the case is. Sometimes I would just wash my hair and then I would apply a lot of the conditioner and I would leave it in. You feel me? Now those conditioners are not generally leave-ins, but this one is made specifically for that. So I don't have to worry about my hair being too wet or being a little bit too, you know, gunky. This actually stays in my hair pretty well. It doesn't feel like a conditioner, if you ask me, and my hair keeps moist straight throughout. So I would recommend getting this product. I've been using it for just about a week and I can't complain. But anyway, I'm gonna get back to this video to show you guys just the end results, and you guys can tell me if you think it's good or maybe it's not for you. Well, let's see. Alright guys, so it's pretty much like the day after. I've been rocking this for the whole day. I don't like it. I'm looking like a sister wife. So I'm gonna go to my cousin. She gonna tell me, oh, I got work in the morning. But ask her to pull it out for me. Michelle, ready to pull out this for me? How am I gonna pull it out about this? So apparently I could have taken this out myself, guys.
My dear.
I did not know that. So this has been on my head for at least maybe like 24 hours.
That's good, it's really dry.
Yeah. So
just put some oil on my finger so it doesn't.
Okay. Now it's like an unboxing. I know people like unboxing videos. Just loosen them all out. And I'll be back whenever everything's all done. And I don't look like Mary Poppins anymore. In the bathroom. Blow, this is better than the last time.
You pick it out.
Yeah. Ooh. Now these curls are. Them curls are solid.
Oh, Jesus.
Them curls are solid. Yo, this is it, guys. This is awesome. Check it out, man. Ooh. Alright guys, just a quick reference. This is something my cousin used. It's called a hair polisher mist. So check it out, guys. She used this, rub on her hands as she detangled the hair. Pretty decent. Yo guys, I am 100% in love with the results of these. Like seriously, It's freshly pulled out. As you guys might know, whenever you do any hairstyle and it's freshly done, generally it looks even better as like the hair wears on. So maybe like in the next 2 days it's gonna get even better, where I can actually pick it out a little bit more, make sure everything is evenly spaced. Like for example, these parts here, pick it out more so you're not seeing much of the scalp. But look at it, man. Hair looks healthy. The curls are very defined. It's not so stiff. See, you can see movement pretty much. And yeah, as it gets older, it's gonna get even better. All right, so I think I forgot to tell you guys, like, you gotta make sure that you pick the hair up a little bit, because as I was saying before, like, if you don't do it, like, you can kind of see all the way down to the scalp, and you don't want that. You want it to look very natural, so you just slightly pick up in the middle to give it that more raised and more natural look. Yo, this product that my cousin used, remember I'm telling you, man, it's fire. Like, I really like it because the Eco Style and all those other products, they shrink. They make your hair shrink. But you don't want that, you want that raised, so you're doing that. I don't think there's no one in the world that don't like a raise. Alright, so picked it out a little bit more. Yo, I like this. I'm feeling this 100%, guys. Alright, there we go. Yo, look at that definition, man. Bro, it's lit. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the finished product. Yo, I'm telling you, I like the results 100%. As I said, as it gets a bit older, it's gonna get even more natural looking, even after picking it out. And yeah, I definitely love it. I like it a lot. I'm definitely feeling it. Yo, it's a little bit late, so I'm just gonna end the video here. It's like going to 11 o'clock. I just made sure that I got back on here to show you guys the results, so you guys can see what it is. And I hope you guys do it. Tell me what you think about your results and what you think about mine, and I'll catch you guys next time on the next video whenever I decide to update my hairstyle. See ya.